CuteBoss, you now stop begging until you reach into the casket. Yeah? You now put on some begging for Congo worm. You now stop beg until you reach into the casket. Me not in the lie. Don't try match yourself with me, CuteBoss. You're a dirty girl. There's no comparison here. You're that. Yeah, lad, me can't run a little joke with you. CuteBoss, yeah, but child, we can't do that one. Me just ask you, can you run a $25,000 joke with your picnic? Me just ask you something, because since no one no business. See nurse right here, so. Can your child do that? Can you do your daughter that where sell bottom? CuteBoss not come about me when you touch mother thing, cause you're not mother, you don't know how mothers to be treated. You not come about me, cause you just have pure worthless cutlass and walk around with your brighty CuteBoss. May I eat rib, turkey rings, and pork on Sunday morning. How about you? I want thing people can tell about our family. If we don't have money, we ever have food.
Oh.
So make a reason. Cause you want clock tea, you know? You want clock tea real bad. My mother old and quail up right now. My mother for just live in a duster. Yeah, you and my mother for sit down cause she da shame you and feed you. You never know that?
Today Sunday, Jaya cook 2 meat. What are you
exactly
cooking? What are you cooking?
You know the ghetto, them not cook 1 meat in a some my mother hype. Them not cook 1 meat. I pay 2 meat cook. CuteBoss, what you eat today? Cause today is Sunday, you know, in the kitchen I cost me. She in the kitchen I cost me, she a cook?
Well, sit down on the ground at top or a dead wall.
Yeah, you not cook. CuteBoss, you not cook before you address me. And Sister Jai, you not cook. But brother come from foreign to come take care of mother. Me never know say a stupid argument that cause nobody now leave foreign come take care of nobody and my mama no bedridden. That makes sense? My mama no bedridden. So when you see my brother leave foreign for come take care of my mother, how it go? I'm glad my brother did it so I can catch freelance. See Olivia yeah. See Olivia yeah too. No make Olivia talk. Don't make Olivia nurse boss it up, please. Cause we not compare the internet with family matters. Remember we not Rosalie and Jakes. We not compare the internet with family matters, my baby. Don't be rude. You think me I go mind man and my mother want a bottle of water and me give my man CuteBoss me know you. And that's why you're full of mates, so cause your man realize say you're idiot. Hold on the CuteBoss, this tastes good. Yeah. What you say? Tell your son send you some money so you beg less on the app. Then you think my mother could have sit on the internet at daytime I beg? And me I use my bottom like your son? I could work out the part there first because you have the gift of discernment. So I can't cuss you like a careless girl. You know? Can you rob your son any amount of money? Your son a box boat with him bottom. Might as well in black shop. Your old no good and your son old no good. Exactly, Livia. No, but not lie. We not come out a good old family. Can your son do that? Today is Sunday, your son have you on the floor of the live. You ever see my mother on the floor of the live yet? You ever see my mother on the live yet? You ever see my mother on the internet yet? CuteBoss, go learn some decency. You and your son are same or. You and your son are or together. You teach him how to be worthless. No man, I want something for drink you now. Yeah. Don't interrupt my breakfast, CuteBoss, with your foolery.
Get you something for drink, yeah, my friend. What do you care?
You want to use my card? Okay, I'm first. Yeah.
Right.
CuteBoss, can your son do this? What if your son overseas scared? Huh? What is on your son overseas card? TikTok liar, big up your nice, clean, stay good self. CuteBoss, you can't come home because everybody knows that I couldn't depend on the upper class people.
What do you want, my friend?
More want fruit juice. One of them wonder what we did buy, if you see any. The Minute Maid big box.
Alright.
I look at thing initially speak because me never ever I go tell you no. Me never ever I go tell you no. If me Shally never jump up and talk, I wouldn't talk. I look at thing nurse talk. I wouldn't talk. What me I talk for? We not kiss and tell. We not tell people how much dumpling we need. No. We not do them something there. CuteBoss, we not do them something there. You're not living a life and you're soon dead. You're 38 and you favor my mother we're 2000. You're 38 and you favor my mother we're 2000. Thank you, Miss Jacob. 3 different meat me I eat on a Sunday. How about you? When I always come for me at the wrong time. Page British, big up yourself. What you saying? And me you really want to talk about CuteBoss? And me you really want to talk about? No, me go down in the little nitty-gritty, my baby. No, me go down in the little nitty-gritty. My brother, they are foreign for over 7 years. Number one, him spent 21 years apart from my mother. 21 years. 21 years him spent apart from my mother. Let me go into the history. Ask her who did I carry mommy. Me not play mother joke, you know. Cause when me put parents in them place, me serious cause me don't want a guilty conscience. But them say I must a dog age. We you say out of your mouth, CuteBoss. Cause me not even want cuss your feet sound like say, no man, she struck a nerve because you not struck no nerve. We just attack, you know. 21 years my brother spent apart from my mother. Why? Why you think me did still there Jamaica? Why you think me did still there Jamaica? When my brother won't leave me and my mother for go look life is 21 years apart. Me not leave out my mother CuteBoss. Something with daughters do for mothers. You wouldn't understand that because you never grow your picnic them good. You feel them from birth. You never grow them good. So you and them have to communicate like on the same thing. Yeah. When you touch the mother part, you have to come about me. Because you're a bad mom. Can you imagine? Me can't live my conscience, say. Me can't sit down and eat 3 meat and have a fret about backyard. CuteBoss, you know, say my fridge full of food. You know, say my fridge full of food, so what can I take care of my mother? And if you don't believe nothing when me I say, call the church, Franklin Town New Testament Church of God, 758 York Street, Kingston, 16, Jamaica, West Indies. Call the pastor, him named Pastor Seth Romero. Call him. Call him. Nobody take my words. Not take my words. Remember me a liar. Not take my words. Call him. Me don't know who are going to information, you know. But you see the people who are going to information don't like, you know. Them are set enough for feel. That's one thing with me. The Bible says speak the truth and speak it ever. And that my mother can't do nothing more. She live out her days. All she have to do now is look for go home. Go home. And worship in our church. We not fear no home. So what you saying? My mother now sit down and say, Jesus, please, me I got dead and me not even live no life. No. She live it right in a Franklin Town. Because one thing me do, me buy all of her snow carry down go throw up on her. I want this Shebada. I want this. Me say foreign. Yeah. What you say, CuteBoss? What you say? You can't come to me about the mother arguments. That's why I can't class girl and boy about them mama. Cause I know me at the behind closed door. Remember you don't know my address, CuteBoss. But we know the whole of you, all your underneath it fail you. So me not understand. Me not understand the CuteBoss. You want to see the Western Union receipts? I can't do that. You know the people them saying Franklin town about my mother? She go on like she not have it when she have it. And that them say. You know the people them saying Franklin town about my mother? Remember you have your rich daughter, you know? Yeah, that them say. She don't know nothing. CuteBoss don't know nothing. CuteBoss coming like Sky Diamond with them a walk on information. CuteBoss just get a prank. Yeah, you get a brick in your face, eh? Eh? You get a brick in your face. What you say? So what the daughter she be? No must me. Hey girl, come on from a program. You go like you want to change my gender. Hey girl, me looking in your face with a plate. No must me. Eh? CuteBoss, what you say? When you come out, you should never come out on me this man. Go in. False prophet. Go in. You bright here? When you really want to dig up dirt and not get good soil. Go in. Bright and feisty. Where? Because out of other, number one, me no insurance to my mother. Me do out of the goodness of my heart because I remember say she did stand up in the Gideon for me. Yeah. And she make me know what Mother's Day feel like and look like. One yeah. Me no insurance, I'm telling that every day. Every single day. Me no insurance. She live her life, her time for me live mine. So when you see me can turn the black of my eye on my mother, it's a blessing. Come now, CuteBoss. Remember your son, Batty have wings and him fly and leave you, you know. Team Batty full of Red Bull. Energetic and not profit. Remember that. Your son can even make you lay down and feel good. Your son can even send you on a trip. If I even next door. Can your son do that? You have to walk and hunt and hustle. You not stop work until you reach into the grave. CuteBoss, you not stop begging until you reach into the casket. Yeah? You not put on some begging for Congo worm. You not stop beg until you reach into the casket. Me not in the lie. Don't try match yourself with me, CuteBoss. You're a dirty girl. There's no comparison here. Your daughter worthless. Always remember say I'm the youngest of both mommy and daddy. Always remember that I'm a father about 300 away. Yeah? My father about 300 away, CuteBoss. Now ask you. So what you say out of your mouth? And the youngest I do the most. And your son is one of the oldest where you have. And him not do the most with him bottom, him backdoor pum pum. Me can't leave him out tight because his mother drag him pum pum into this. Tell CuteBoss and her son to come to crush it underneath me. Yeah? Me now ask you. What you say? CuteBoss where reason, you know? My mother beg me, Shebada know. Me no want you migrate yet. Me no want you migrate yet. Your son did have to use him batty go hustle. You could never beg your son to migrate it because hungry kill you know. Me can't never bother cuss you. I mean, you want to cuss you and go up underneath you and talk about your flamingo. Yeah, but me can't never bother. Because there's no competition. You walk and seek information. Hush. From me to you to she. Can peas. She not have to pressure nothing. She not have to borrow no pressure cooker. Tell her me I start off her Sunday. Can peas. This cooker already. All she have to do is throw it in a coconut milk and season the pot. Me I help you. Now come from a program but leave you. Go take care of your grandmate mother. Your mother want help. You use up your body. Your mother want help. Yeah, go take care of your grandmate mother. And you make your mother so miserable and smoke cigarette till her mouth favor ashtray. Now leave you out of nothing when you drop out a big curse hole, a big stinking crutches. What do you mean by respectfully leave you out of this? Respectfully, me a dry you in a it. Respectfully, me a dry you in a it. Yeah, in a sheer navel string did connect. So what you tell me say, take a boy excuse out of my face. Excuse out of my face and go suck the remains of CuteBoss. What you say? But respectfully leave you tight. Your mama miserable, you cross dress. Work out your dress code, it not come with no stipend. Work out that. Where you come about respectfully leave you tight. Your mama germs, your mama plague, your mama come like she have your Egypt. Me I want you for fear a breeder. Eh? So come to the whole of where reason. How you come? Remember your cross dresser your mama broke. I could have never put on a wig and dress and my mother not have it. You're mad. You're mad. You need to come broke your mother finger them. You need to come at Jamaica come broke your mother finger them and mash up her phone. She's too torment. Me I want you for baby duppy. But just I want you for baby duppy you come and talk about respectfully leave me out. Are you dirty mama me attack? So me a cuss our product them too. Remember your germs like CuteBoss. Now come for my program with it. Don't come for yourself with it. If me didn't say today or Sunday, me glad me did I worship God from Monday to Saturday. CuteBoss get up and come attack. You know say your mama full of lump from her ankle go up to her hole. You know your mama full of lump. I pay a dent upon CuteBoss scratches. Your mother underneath dent up like a long time before time ladder or Chevrolet. You know them long time Volvo over there? Yeah. You're bright here. But respectfully. And your mama don't know etiquette. And you don't know etiquette because you use your body loosely but respectfully. Boy go suck out CuteBoss underneath what remains and go suck out every dead wood. Every dead wood from out of your mother. Because I don't think you know your father too, you know. Wait name Andrew, I don't think you know your father, you know? Yeah. Remember say your mother play bingo with her crutches. Oh. All phone the last name supposed to long. We just ask random things. Me not understand. Yeah. A bingo CuteBoss play with her picnic them. She just think of her name and go. Remember she have the gift of discernment. Remember she got the gift of discernment. But respectfully. Go suck your mama. I could have put on a wig and my mama miserable. You're mad. Eh? You're mad. You must be dreaming. Shebi, I'm gonna put you in time out. Okay, mama, calm down. Yes, CuteBoss, as you were saying. See how God good? God not even make me hear you, CuteBoss. God make my friend hear you. You hear my friend say, ask me. Ask me. You hear my friend say that? Ask me. About Shebada mother. You notice me not talk about my mother much? Because when you do, you not speak. Eh? When you do, you not speak. Andrew go take care of CuteBoss. She a mad. Poverty a mad your mother. Poverty a mad CuteBoss. I could never have health and strength in my mother and have up on the upper beg. Me have to find a evil clean shit work here. When I love run mother joke here. I just the other day my mother robbed me 25,000. 25,000. So when you say my brother come from foreign to take care of my mother, my boss one next little piece of secret go now. Cause no know nothing but me no sent my brother come from foreign is $300 I have to give me that back like NSC. And my mama snatched $25,000 off of me. All water run out of my eye. Come say I want to give my brother this. CuteBoss didn't know that. Oh my God. CuteBoss always remember saying me the last one on every side. You didn't know that, my baby? You never know that. What you say? You say nothing, boy? CuteBoss, where I give you grocery? Watch your nerves. CuteBoss.
Oh, you didn't have that?
Yeah, me gonna give you grocery. Da da dee, da da do. Thank you, want water. Gotta hold his tune. You didn't know that, my baby? I this a killing a CuteBoss. Mistake where you're making in your younger days, may I beat you with it in your older days. Look at me. Eh? Which little girl could have give me a tin of bean in the Sunday morning with a tin of coconut milk and say, go make yourself a mother? Which little careless girl could have really do me that? CuteBoss, look what your son there foreigner do. Tell me the truth where God love. Look what your son is doing overseas. Look here. Why your son not sell that suit here for you sell it? And make yourself in a something. Watch here. Then him not know say you hungry. Then CuteBoss, Andrew don't know say you hungry. This look like a child who don't care about mommy. Eh? Andrew don't know say you hungry. The foreigner lie, you know. Look how your son busy about mommy hungry. Mommy hungry. Mommy hungry. Mommy hungry. Mommy hungry. A CuteBoss? Why? Him a dance and me a sponsor you. Who have the better heart? Who should be a child, CuteBoss? Come here and you busy a gyrate for man see him. And your mama hungry. This cover in your hair. Me never see somebody I was a kid. Never let me tell you something on the phone. I never seen somebody I was a kid. Oh, CuteBoss. I never see this yet. Are you want to argue with me? Me busy I think about your digestive system. While your son busy over there gyrate. How you work it out? Trini Pinky, what's wrong with you? What's wrong? Z baby? What's wrong with you? You should never come about the mother part. You should have go and custom about my bottom. You should never come about the mother part. Mother? Huh? Mama? Mama! Mama! Oh, but anyways, too much of CuteBoss now. Back to Yannick. Because it's an easy walkover. Donation for CuteBoss. Donation for CuteBoss. And that's it. That's how well is she. We not carry she with we. Me feel like ice. Mom, mommy. Turn left. Take the right coming up. Yeah. Exactly discover. Some don't know what CuteBoss are talk about. Oh, wrong girl you come about. Wrong girl. Anyways, back to Yannick. Today is Yannick's match. Right. And you know where go over, they go tear it down. We're going over there, go tear it down. We're just thinking the same thing. Too cute, too sweet, wanna? Why not going? Lord, my mouth feel hot and tight. I wonder if my mouth are the tightest thing for me for that area.
I would agree.
There's some mud mina. I would agree. Me don't know what time a Yannick match. Me don't know what time a Yannick match. I forgot score the app. But them say score the app. Yeah. Big up on yourself. Thank you guys so very much for the gift. Them say 8 o'clock. Foreign 8 o'clock or CuteBoss 8 o'clock. Morning for foreign 8 o'clock. Them say US 8. Which one is 8 o'clock then? The one that belongs to CuteBoss where stays like a hole? Don't understand? Oh, foreign 9 o'clock. World Dog interview with Blinga. After World Dog interview with Blinga, after Blinga have no sense and World Dog have no sense. I say World Dog shame him. World Dog shame him. People, you know, so World Dog is the prime example. There's no way you can see say your woman go keep match and you go run go put on a match. And when you say World Dog, I feel lean to Blinga them, you know, say World Dog gone to rock bottom. You know that. You know that. When you say World Dog have to go over Blinga them, you know say World Dog gone to rock what bottom. I intimidate World Dog, I intimidate the people, you know, and want them to be on his side. But hey girl, every time you type pill, I want to take my blue pill and push my hood in your ears. World Dog, you have nobody else when pill take it.
Why?
I like Natalie, all when pill take it, you have nobody. You not have nobody, you're not the man. You have to use your veneer in a bottom. When Blinga got ask, you say, Blinga intelligent, that's the first thing first. Blinga intelligent. Blinga can't interview nobody. Remember TikTok police cock up she in a shop like the Campbell soap. Cock her up in a shop. Remember Blinga front one lotion. Blinga crutches one oil. Remember from Blinga navel go down dry. Remember that. Remember Blinga leave her daughter come to Jamaica come suck out. TikTok police out. Yeah, TikTok police cock up Blinga in our old shop like Campbell soup. Nobody at Jamaica no drink Campbell soup. Blinga heel back one, Blinga all one Vaseline. From Blinga navel go right down to our front. It want Vaseline, it want grease. So you don't know that? Blinga did say she married, but our soldier man coming like my man, 25. We just can't see him. You never know that?
You need to come out for welfare.
Yeah, right? And a welfare Blinga depend. Remember government give Blinga the things them. No make Blinga trick on no. If the government ever knows say Blinga hustle, the government take back everything and Blinga have to go up on her face. Don't make Blinga trick on no. Blinga not live in a life of foreign. Blinga not living any life overseas. Blinga need to come home. Airport still the same place with a Moby or Kingston. It no move. Blinga go like she used to Jamaica change. Come home, Blinga. When Blinga tell my husband, anybody where they with nobody in the military can't suffer and government can't help you. Me not ask you a lie. Government can't help you. Government can't put in a poor relief center. And your man, me see the Blinga man is a bombshell. A long time in busting in the Middle East cause him can't come home. No man, we know say a TikTok liar suggest the match. We know say a TikTok liar good girl suggest the match. Yeah. Now ask you. Yeah, now it hurt the whole of them. CuteBoss go play a match and make your son gift you. Cause from TikTok, from the lady they on the app play a match and never see Andrew come cross it like Andrew na legal a foreign and a sell bottom. I want Carl Trump. Then Andrew na legal a foreign and a sell but. Answer the question. I gotta chill. I didn't even bathe in any ice. So you go. Yeah, come out. Make any even cuss you. Of course, the son and TikTok liar and CuteBoss do the same work. It's hard when you give your son a work at the job. It's hard when you give your son a work or your job. Being in the army, you're privy to so much things. Not Blinga. Where you come with this for, Natalie? What do you mean being in the army, you're privy to a lot of things? Not Blinga. Blinga not privy to nothing. You say Blinga have no soldier, man. Remember saying, Blinga did marry to a man, you know, and breed for her next man. Remember say Blinga picked them full of last name, you know. Then only remember that. Eh? Blinga did marry to a man, you know. One man and breed. Remember, anytime I get back the man name, I check my phone, my next phone gone. I go get back Blinga information and come remind you about Blinga days. You never know. When Blinga married, she breed. When Blinga married to a man, she breed for her next man. When Blinga married to the man, the old man left Blinga. You never know that I pay fraud Blinga in I want Carl Trump and Blinga. I make him dig her up. You never know. Blinga and a good girl. Blinga in a class. Blinga remind me of Apple. Where a man don't want a demon seed for bathing in the bathroom. Remember, so the reason why the soldier man don't like the baby where Apple have because it's Mr. Sayers get Apple the child. Rosalie carry Apple. Go to Mr. Sayers. Go wash out her womb and it look like Mr. Sayers grind her breeder and send her up back. It's a spirit. That's why the man don't want him, the baby bathing in the bathroom. So no never know them something. Yeah, we do. That's why it hurt Apple when I talk. It hurt Apple. All the Obi Apple work, it a bounce back panaka, not even man why you. That's why the Bible says Obi not real now. Obi can't last. Obi is fake. Yeah, remember it's a spirit you bring for 9 months Apple in a barnyard. It's a spirit you bring, come get the soldier man. That is why I'm saying, don't let in that demon in my bathroom. Eh, you have to bathe the baby in a sink. You're a young baby, I bathe in a sink. Me never see that. You play it. A dish. A dish. I play in the position for talk and bling a leaf here, pick them. Pan one bunk bed. Remember bunk bed Blinga about picking them pan upstairs and downstairs. Remember Blinga live in a big hall where furniture them each up in the corner like gunman. Remember Blinga did have to come out go rent a furnished place. Ask Blinga if you all know her. Ask Blinga if you all know her. Somebody say Moses. Eh? Ask Blinga if you all know she. And that's how the Americans do it, but upstairs and downs. Me know the exact bunk bed when me attack baby girl. Now come tell me about how American do it. Cause me never going to no American home yet and see them the upstairs and downstairs bunk bed there. Me never going to no American house. We are talking about the ancient long time before time. Everything in a Blinga house, we are up a parliament with them the cabinet. It's not like everything in a Blinga house. We're not jukes off in a corner. Remember me make Blinga stop showcase our house. Blinga for learn for cook. You never know that? Yeah, talk about so the Americans them do it. No, that's not true. Blinga have pay Getty, I play. What name again? What the place name? Oh, Goodwill. I pay Goodwill things Blinga pick them grow up on. Pure Goodwill. So when Blinga come out, Blinga, remember so when Blinga rub the app in I pick them and suffer like that, you know. So Blinga if you come talk to nobody, TikTok police get the whole of Blinga money. So to the point where Blinga come out and Roger have a feed her. Of course. This is what I need for do. Me like that person, yeah. You see when the world dog and Blinga, if them a play a match later, report it. World dog too bad mind. A 52 me attacking I one, you know, cause them people just not keep my focus. 52 me attacking I one, yeah. No, it's true. Report Blinga and World Dog Live. I see all of the women them out there. This is a prime example for me to know, say, looking at the relationship and look for your man if your man is competing with you. So you know, she say World Dog. No, it's true. World Dog more hungry than Yannick. And Yannick have the baby. World Dog more hungry than Yannick. Yeah. We don't want to hear no interview because World Dog, there is nothing you can say. You chose that whore. Yannick say a long time you run down and she ignore you. You texted on her purse. And she gave the time of day. Yeah. So you come now, Yannick say is you are run down how long. So I don't know how them girls are going to sit down and talk XYZ. World Dog, you knew what you were doing. Joe Duppy de pa you. And that him I try to turn people against Yannick. And then through Blinga now, you know how long Blinga says she do for her body, and that's how Blinga sit down. Yes, and you know people, you gotta understand, and yes, a long time Blinga, more know which part of Blinga do. And that more know which part of Blinga did. You know how long Blinga says she do about it and say, oh. Yes. And you know people, and Blinga surgery tight. Blinga your surgery tight. Well, that promise him cocky. Kaya cocky rabbit, you know. You, when we see a big old girl like you, leave your picnic them alone. I wonder if the government did not say leave them unsupervised. But she knows Akeem hungry. Let me tell you with Rosalie, they watch us. Our thing, our pattern. You know why she never want Jakes on the app? Because she knew Jakes was licky and people are going to bribe Jakes with things. Who remember that? She never want Jakes on the app. Because she know Jakes licky. She know Jakes licky. Who believe me? That is the whole reason why she never want Jakes on the app. So you see, with the Akeem situation, she has to be working for Akeem. You never know. In order to hold him, that's why she get Akeem anything. You know, Akeem say, Rose a kind girl, you know, no, she's bribing you. You understand me? Alright, fine. You see that the old people that will come down from foreign? Rosalie is uncomfortable with most of them being around Akeem. Let me tell you that. But they did not came for Rosalie, they came for Akeem. You notice how she cuss some gifters, but oh, video me! Another video on the vomiting because somebody video me a vomit me proud. Because if me drink, me supposed to puke. You understand what me I said? Me drink, me supposed to puke. But Rosalie upset over the fact because inside information we not privy to. But time I go tell, time I come. Because she knew Akeem is licky and hungry and even body can take with Akeem, even a cocky. Of course, Jake's licky. Jake's licky. And it's just the truth. She don't want to cuss World Dog, a World Dog named Akeem too. I put you first. Show me your worth. Only a big body do for real. Yeah. She know a pay licky man them take. And I just that. So all of the wife and Akeem want me and want E. Rosalie and her gifters them soon kick off. You know, yeah, Akeem say I keep another river bash. I wonder if Rosalie will go up and then know what that Rosalie did in her river. I say Jesus no come here. I say I get a full view of Rosalie overall with a ballerina skirt. I say Jesus save them. I wonder who tape trapaling on the baby. No, Me say, when I see Rosalie in a swimsuit, see me, people wicked, you know. You see, I know Rosalie back now going at the swimsuit, you know. My phone are dead. I know Rosalie back them not going at the swimsuit. Then who tell Rosalie she should wear full suit with wrap? I never see a burrito big so. I never see a burrito big so. Me see Rosalie. Me have to say, Jesus have mercy, sin is really blind, you know. You know, so sin blind. No, in a true life, Miss Jacob sin blind because when I see them something more clean close to the old or get cross, I say I need some juice. Nobody couldn't tell us it not look good. I pay bad vision the day river. Then Akim wear glasses. Me say when I see bolo slush. When I see bolo slush, me say not even Louis Bennett poor, me say the girl favor hug in her body drawers. Oh Lord. Rosalie outfit make me feel like me dip and go slow. Jesus have mercy. Pour some fear too. Somebody say fish tail, come suck me gill. And me gill more you suck, you think I'm a tail more you look and come suck me gill. Come here now. You know, say if me go by any outing, any trip, anything at all. I see Rosalie, I nah bother go. I say when I see Rosalie in the wrap, I'll know Rosalie back now going to the bath suit. She have to take a measurement for her swimwear then. Sin really ugly now. And it shows when I see Rosalie keep a river bash and a party. It shows that sin really. Lord say, ask Carrie for true. When I ask her, yeah, Lord, I can't run a little joke with you. CuteBoss said, yeah, but child, we can do that too. I just ask you, can you run a $25,000 joke with your picnic? We just ask you something, because since no one no business. See nurse right here, so. Can your child do that? Can you do your daughter that will sell bottom? CuteBoss not come about me when you touch mother thing, cause you're not mother, you don't know how mothers to be treated. You not come about me, cause you just have pay worthless cutlass and walk around with your brighty CuteBoss. May I eat rib, turkey rings, and pork on Sunday morning. How about you? I want thing people can tell about our family. If we don't have money, we ever have food.
Oh.
Some reason. Cause you want clock tea, you know? You want clock tea real bad. My mother old and queer up right now. My mother for just live in a duster. Yeah, you are my mother for sit down cause she does shame me and feed you. You never know that?
Today Sunday, Joy cook 2 meat. What are you
Exactly.
cooking? What are you cooking?
You know the ghetto, them not cook one meat in a so my mother hype. Them not cook one meat. I pay 2 meat cook. CuteBoss, what you eat today? Cause today is Sunday, you know, in the kitchen I cost me. She in the kitchen I cost me, she a cook?
Wait, sit down on the ground at top or dead wall.
Yeah, you not cook. CuteBoss, you not cook before you address me. And Sister Jai, you not cook. Huh? But brother come from fine to come take care of mother. I never know say a stupid argument that cause nobody now leave fine come take care of nobody and my mama not bedridden. That makes sense? My mama not bedridden. So when you see my brother leave fine for come take care of my mother, oh it go. I'm glad my brother did it so I can catch freelance. Sylvia yeah. Sylvia yeah too. No make Olivia talk. Don't make Olivia nurse boss it up, please. Cause we not compare the internet with family matters. Remember we not Rosalie and Jakes. We not compare the internet with family matters, my baby. Don't be rude. You think me I go mind man and my mother want a bottle of water and I give my man CuteBoss me know you. And that's why you're full of mates, so cause your man realize say you're idiot. Hold on the CuteBoss, this tastes good. Yo. What you say? Tell your son send you some money so you beg less on the app. Then you think my mother could have seen on the internet at daytime I beg? And me I use my bottom like your son? I could work out that part there first because you have the gift of discernment. So I can't cuss you like a careless girl. You know? Can you rob your son any amount of money? Your son a box boat with him bottom. Might as well in black shop. Your old no good and your son old no good. Exactly, Livia. No, but not lie. We not come out a good old family. Can your son do that? Today Sunday, your son have you on the floor of the live. You ever see my mother on the floor of the live yet? You ever see my mother on the live yet? You ever see my mother on the internet yet? CuteBoss, go learn some decency. You and your son are same or. You and your son are or together. You teach him how to be worthless. No man, I want something for drink you now. Yeah. Don't interrupt my breakfast, CuteBoss, with your foolery.
Get something for drink, yeah, I'm a friend. What do you care?
You want to use my card? Okay, my purse. Yeah.
Right.
CuteBoss, can your son do this? What if your son overseas card? What is on your son overseas card? TikTok liar, big up your nice, clean, stay good self. CuteBoss, you can't come home because everybody knows them. I couldn't depend on the upper class people.
What do you want, my friend?
More want fruit juice. One of them wonder what we did buy, if you see any. The Minute Maid big box.
Alright.
I look at thing initially speak because me never ever I go tell her no. Me never ever I go tell her no. If Michelle never jump up and talk, I wouldn't talk. I look at thing nurse talk. I wouldn't talk. What me I talk for? We not kiss and tell. We not tell people how much dumpling we need. No. We not do them something. CuteBoss, we not do them something. You not living a life and you're soon dead.